everybody. So finished up them coil bucket mounts. Had to work a few hours today at the plant, and then when I got done, I just stayed over an hour and drilled out the holes, got them cleaned up. And so you're seeing some finished product, and videoed some of me doing that process, but I didn't spend all day doing it. I had to buy some cobalt 9/16 bits. I broke one, and just because when it, not that it was cheap quality or anything, it just when it went in the hole, it was off a little bit too much, and when I started pulling it down, it grabbed and broke off. So second bit, no problem, drilled all the other holes. So that's all we got for this video.